Hey snack lovers, welcome back to Taste the Globe, the place where we celebrate all International Food Days, one delicious bite at a time.
Whether you're Team Cone or Team Cup, there's one frozen flavor that started it all: vanilla. And today, we're scooping into it head first, because it's National Vanilla Ice Cream Day. From ancient vanilla beans to modern sundaes, vanilla has been our cool companion through decades of dessert history. So grab your favorite scoop, get comfy, and let's celebrate the most underrated flavor of all time. Welcome to Taste the Globe, where we celebrate all International Food Days. First things first, where did vanilla ice cream come from? Vanilla itself comes from the pods of the vanilla orchid, a flower native to Mexico. For centuries, indigenous peoples like the Totonac and Aztec civilizations used it to flavor chocolate drinks long before ice cream ever existed. Ice cream made its way to Europe in the 1600s, but it was expensive and rare. It wasn't until the 1700s that Thomas Jefferson, yes, that Thomas Jefferson, brought a recipe for vanilla ice cream back from France to the US. In fact, Jefferson's original handwritten vanilla ice cream recipe still exists in the Library of Congress today. Talk about historical dessert goals. Let's be honest, vanilla gets a bad rap. People love to call it basic or boring, but that couldn't be further from the truth. True vanilla ice cream is made from real vanilla beans or extract, and the flavor is anything but plain. It's floral, sweet, and layered with subtle complexity. The kind of thing you don't appreciate until you really taste it. Plus, it's the most versatile dessert out there. Vanilla goes with chocolate syrup, caramel, fruit, brownies, pie, espresso, you name it. There's a reason chefs use vanilla as a flavor base. It balances, enhances, and complements everything. Here are a few sweet facts you may not know about vanilla ice cream. It's the most popular flavor in the world. Despite what you might think, vanilla consistently tops global ice cream polls. Real vanilla is rare. Vanilla is the second most expensive spice after saffron. It takes months to harvest and cure. It paved the way for all other flavors. Without vanilla, we wouldn't have sundaes, milkshakes, or even Neapolitan. July 23rd was officially declared National Vanilla Ice Cream Day by Ronald Reagan. Yep, the 40th U.S. president made it official in 1984. You can taste over 250 compounds in real vanilla. It's more complex than chocolate or strawberry. Looking for ways to make today delicious? Here are a few easy and fun ways to celebrate National Vanilla Ice Cream Day. Host an ice cream bar, set out different toppings like crushed Oreos, fresh fruit, sprinkles, and sauces. Let everyone create their dream sundae. Try a twist on vanilla. Look for vanilla bean, French vanilla, bourbon vanilla, or Madagascar vanilla ice creams to taste the differences. Share a throwback photo, post your favorite ice cream moment from childhood or a recent treat using #VanillaIceCreamDay. Buy local. Support a local creamery or ice cream shop by buying a scoop of their best vanilla flavor. Make your own. Don't have an ice cream maker? No problem. Here's a quick no-churn vanilla recipe. No-churn vanilla ice cream recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups heavy cream, 1 can, 14 ounces, sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 1 scraped vanilla bean. Instructions: whip the cream until stiff peaks form. Fold in the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla gently. Pour into a container and freeze for 4 to 6 hours. Scoop, serve, and enjoy. Simple, creamy, and packed with flavor. Trust us, you'll never call vanilla boring again. Still feeling inspired? Here are some creative vanilla dessert ideas to try today. Vanilla affogato, scoop vanilla ice cream, pour over hot espresso. A dreamy combo of hot and cold. Vanilla cream soda float, pour cream soda over vanilla ice cream for fizzy magic. Vanilla ice cream sandwiches, use cookies, brownies, or waffles. Berry vanilla parfaits, layer vanilla ice cream with granola and berries in a tall glass. Vanilla doesn't have to be simple. It can be your canvas for anything from elegant to extravagant. So next time someone says vanilla is boring, you can hit them with some sweet knowledge, and maybe a scoop or two. Thanks for celebrating National Vanilla Ice Cream Day with us. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more delicious deep dives, and comment below. What's your ultimate vanilla ice cream topping? Whether you go classic or crazy with your cone, today's the day to enjoy every creamy bite. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next one.